What's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and in today's video I have a quick about 15-20 minute shoulder workout, and all you're gonna need is dumbbells. Like I said, today's video is going to be a shoulder workout. I've been getting a lot of questions about quick, easy to do workouts that are good for anybody who may be short on time, or maybe you're on the road and you only have access to a hotel gym, or your gym's busy and you don't feel like waiting on machines and you just want to stay at the dumbbell rack and do a quick shoulder workout. This is going to be perfect for any of those scenarios, because what we're going to be doing it's going to be 6 total exercises for your shoulders. We're going to be hitting a number of different variations of like pressing and raises, just so that we can hit all the different parts of our shoulder to really just get the rounded look that you're probably wanting. But also, we're going to be doing it in a triple superset fashion. That means that basically what a superset is 2 exercises back to back and then you rest after. Instead of that, we're going to be going 3 exercises back to back to back with a rest after that. We're also going to be going a little higher of a rep range, so this is going to be great for anybody who's trying to maybe get a nice little pump or something going like that. It's going to be good. But before I get into it, I will say, if you're trying to build muscle or you're looking for just diet and training that is really catered to your specific goals, you got to understand what your body type is, and you got to follow a plan that's catered to your body type. If you want some help figuring that out, I do have a free body type quiz that has helped me help over 1 million clients over the past couple of years, and it works. If you're trying to get in shape, hit the link right below this video, take my free quiz, and let me show you what you need to do in the gym and in the kitchen to really get some results. Now, getting into this workout, I have 2 sets of dumbbells laying here right in front of me. Just a pair of 30-pound dumbbells and a pair of 10-pound dumbbells, because the first 3 exercises that we're gonna be doing, and like I said, we're gonna be going a little higher rep range here, so we're gonna be going a little lighter. So the first exercise is going to be a standing shoulder press. So I'm gonna get these dumbbells, get into a good position here, strong core, flex your glutes, and keep yourself upright, and then you're going to bring your elbows slightly forward. You don't want to flare them way out. You're going to cause yourself some shoulder pain there. Keep them slightly forward, and then you're going to go down to a 90-degree angle or just below it, and you're going to press up. That's just a normal shoulder press right there, standing. And then as you press this up, this is going to naturally come a little back, or come next to your ears. So it's going to come down in front of you, and your head's going to go back a little bit. And then as you press up, your head's going to go a little more forward. It's very similar to just like a regular military press, but we're going to go 15 reps of this. So rock those out. Then after you get 15 here, you're going to flip these over, and you're going to do some dumbbell upright rows. So here, you're basically just going to be lifting these dumbbells up, nice controlled fashion. What you really want to focus on here is lifting through your elbows forward and out at an angle. You're not trying to lift these dumbbells up, because then you're going to be working a lot of your biceps. You want to focus on dragging your elbows forward and up. That way you can really emphasize hitting your shoulder more than anything else. So do that 15 times right there. Nice controlled form. Then you're going to drop these. Gonna grab the lighter set of dumbbells that you already have in front of you. That way you're not wasting a bunch of time in between exercises. Bend over, and you're going to do some bent over reverse dumbbell flies. So here, you really want to focus on form, nice controlled movements. And then another thing that I like to keep in mind here is, rather than trying to lift this weight up, you want to focus on pressing the weight outward as it comes up, because that's really how you're going to hit that rear delt as best as possible, because it's going to obviously be worked with this outward movement of your arm. And if you do pull it up, you're going to be working a lot more of your traps and your rhomboids. And for this exercise, we're trying to hit that rear delt as much as possible. So 15 reps of those. So we're going 15, 15, 15. Then you're going to rest for 1.5 minutes, and you're going to repeat this 4 times. And after that, we'll move into the second and final triple superset. So next superset is going to be the same kind of method here. We're going to be doing 3 different exercises, and we're going to be going for that higher rep range. We're going to be going 15, 15, 15, and we're going to be doing, so have your dumbbells ready also, because the 3 exercises are going to be Arnold press, which is just basically another variation of a shoulder press where you start with your hands, your palms facing you, and rotate. I guess I'll just get into it and show you. So Arnold press right here, and this is standing, this is not seated. So you're going to start right here, elbows just below your shoulder. So you don't want to be way down here, you don't want to be way up here. Just below your shoulder, and then from there, you're going to, in a one nice controlled movement, you're going to rotate your palms forward and also bring your elbows a little farther out. That way you're getting a nice squeeze in your shoulder, and you're going to be targeting multiple areas of your shoulder from this press. This is actually one of my favorite presses for hitting different areas of your delt. Great movement. Control it. 15 reps here. After you got that done, you're going to drop this weight. I just have some 15s here. Then you're going to go into some dumbbell lateral raises. So you probably know what these are. Here, all you're going to do is really focus on form, lifting up, raising up to the side. And here you're really focusing. I think a lot of people mess up lateral raises because they don't really know what the movement is supposed to be working. I guess they know what they should be working, but they don't know what to focus on. Here you want to focus on what your elbow is doing in comparison to your shoulder, because your deltoid is going to be worked by your elbow coming up in line with your shoulder, and that's going to be the peak contraction of that delt right there. So you don't want to bring it way up here, and you also don't want to bring it all the way down here. You want to stop about there so that you can keep tension on that muscle as much as possible, and you don't want to create any kind of bounce. This is probably the worst thing you can do. I'm not really working my delts much there. So controlled motion, lifting up just to shoulder level, bringing it back down, stopping before this weight hits your hip. So up, down, nice controlled motion. I'm also lifting a little to the front because I also like to get a little bit of a bend and lift a little to the front. It just helps me feel it better in my delt. So 15 of those. Then I'm gonna grab a 10-pound dumbbell. I'm gonna drop down onto this bench, and we're gonna do some lying side rear delt raises. So here what you're going to do is you're going to have your palm down towards your body. You're going to bring this all the way across. You're lying on your side, and you're going to raise this up. You're not going to go straight above your body, because right here I'm resting. You're going to bring it to about right there so that you're still working your delt. Bring it down, feeling a nice stretch, and bringing it back up. Squeezing, bringing it back down, feeling a nice stretch, squeezing. And then something else to be careful of here is you don't want your shoulder to be all shrugged up like this. You want to focus on depression of your scapula, so pressing it down and then really focusing on lifting that weight up, pressing your shoulder down again. If your shoulder kind of flared up, pressing it down, squeezing that up. So you're going to go 15 reps to each side for that. After you do 15, you're going to rest for a minute and a half, same thing as before, and then you're going to repeat that 4 times, and that's going to be the entire shoulder workout. So it's a very quick workout, but it's a very intense workout if you do it right. Really focus on using weights that push your limits. You want to be able to get 15 reps, but you want it to be near your failure point with every single exercise. That way you can get the best exercise possible in this short amount of time. So try this out. Let me know how you like it. If you guys are looking for more videos, please check out my channel. I'll put a card right up here to other shoulder workouts that I have, shoulder fixes, shoulder exercise tips. I got tons of content coming all the time, so subscribe to the channel. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.